Hey guys, this is Kellen with Jantek Industries, and this is How Windows Are Made, Episode 2, Glass Unit Assembly. The glass panes, having been cut and stored in the harp rack, are now ready for processing and assembly into the integrated glass unit, or IGU as we refer to it. First, about a quarter-inch of LowE coating is removed from the perimeter of the glass pane. This is to provide for better adhesion of the Duraseal warm edge spacer when it is applied and bonded to the glass later in the process. The glass pane is then put through Jantek's glass washer, which is specifically designed to remove shipping powder, cutting oils, fingerprints that collect during the manufacturing up until this point. The washer exit is inside of a special humidity controlled room. Now the glass is ready for application of the Duraseal warm edge spacer. Duraseal contains desiccant, which helps ensure there is no residual water vapor inside the IGU once it is sealed. The Duraseal is applied to the entire parameter of the glass with one corner left open so that the argon or krypton gas can be pumped in once the IGU is assembled. The glass panes are then stacked either 2 if it's R3 or 3 if it's R5 IGU. The glass unit is then fed into an infrared sealing oven. The oven bonds the Duraseal spacer to the glass through a combination of 400-degree heat and a series of step-down rollers, which compress the glass unit into a perfect 1-inch thickness by the time the IGU exits the oven. The IGU is now ready for the glass fill station. Here, either argon or krypton gas are filled into the chambers, that is the space between the panes of glass, through the openings in the corner of the Duraseal. The gas, though invisible to the human eye, is heavier than the atmosphere and flows through the hose inserted into the opening. Just like water, the gas filling station is equipped with a sensor that cuts off the gas flow when the gas fully fills the chamber. The Duraseal is then folded to close the fill opening in the IGU unit, and butyl is seal applied over the fill area. The IGU is now ready to proceed to the sash assembly area.